Arham, can you sing? Yes, I can. Arsalan, can you sing? Yes, I can. But I cannot. Yusuf, can you jump? No, I cannot jump. Meherma, can you jump? Yes, I can jump. Hadia, can you hop? Yes, I can hop. Meherma, can you hop? Yes, I can hop. But I cannot hop. Hadia, can you cut a paper? No, I cannot. Cut the paper is dangerous for me. Yusuf, can you cut the paper? No, I cannot. It's dangerous for me. Aima, can you kick? Yes, I can kick a football. Zalun, can you kick? Yes, I can kick. But I cannot kick. Aima, can you shoot? No, I cannot shoot. It's dangerous for me. Tahim, can you shoot? No, I cannot shoot. It's dangerous for me. I also cannot shoot. Tahlim, can you blow? Yes, I can blow. Zalun, can you blow? No, I cannot blow. But I cannot blow a balloon. Miriam, can you clap? Yes, I can clap. Harim, can you clap? Yes, I can clap. But I cannot clap. Ask, can you take the hole? Yes, I can. Zade, can you take the hole? Yes, I can.